All right, let's dive into the crazy world of YouTube monetization and bust some myths. Ready to learn how you really get paid? Grab your popcorn, folks. Ad revenue. The classic myth that YouTube ad revenue will make you rich overnight. Spoiler alert, it won't. Ad revenue is like getting a handful of pennies thrown at you every time someone watches an ad on your video. Sure, it adds up, but you need millions of views to see serious cash. It's like thinking you can buy a mansion with your piggy bank savings. But hey, every little bit helps, right? Just don't quit your day job just yet. Channel memberships. Imagine your viewers paying a monthly fee to access exclusive content. It's like having a VIP club for your channel. Channel memberships are awesome because they create a steady stream of income. Plus, you can offer cool perks like custom emojis, badges, and members-only videos. It's like having a secret handshake with your most loyal fans. And the best part? You get to decide what special content to create. Just make sure it's worth the price of admission. Super chats and stickers. Live streaming is fun, but getting paid while doing it? Even better. Super chats and stickers let viewers throw money at you during live streams. It's like being a street performer, but with less juggling and more talking. When someone sends a super chat, their message gets highlighted, and you can't miss it. Think of it as a tip jar where people pay to get your attention. The more entertaining your live stream, the more tips you'll get. So, start streaming and watch those super chats roll in. Sponsorships. Brands want to piggyback on your popularity, and they're willing to pay for it. Sponsorships can be a goldmine. Whether it's a product review, a shout-out, or a dedicated video, brands will pay you to showcase their stuff. It's like being paid to brag about your new favorite toy. But remember, be honest with your audience. Nobody likes a sellout. Choose sponsors you genuinely like and can get excited about. Your viewers will appreciate your honesty, and your bank account will appreciate the boost. Affiliate marketing. You know those links you see in video descriptions? Yep, those can make you money. Affiliate marketing is when you promote products and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. It's like being a digital salesperson. Just recommend stuff you love, and if your viewers buy it, you get a cut. It's that simple. Plus, you don't have to deal with inventory or shipping. It's a win-win. So, find some cool products and start linking. Crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon or Kickstarter let your fans support you directly. It's like passing the hat around at a concert. Crowdfunding can help you fund specific projects like a new series or better equipment, and you can offer awesome rewards in return, like exclusive content or behind-the-scenes access. It's like building a community of superfans who believe in your work. So, if you've got big dreams and loyal fans, give crowdfunding a try. You might be surprised by how much support you get. Providing services. Got skills? Offer them to your audience. Whether it's graphic design, video editing, or social media management, there's a market for your talents. Think of it as freelancing with a built-in client base. Your viewers already trust you, so they're more likely to hire you. It's like being the go-to handyman in your neighborhood, but online. So, list your services, set your rates, and start turning your skills into cash. Providing consultations. If you're an expert in something, offer consultations. People will pay for your advice and guidance. It's like being a personal trainer for their brains. Whether it's business coaching, career advice, or YouTube strategy sessions, there's someone out there who needs your help, and they're willing to pay for it. So, set up some consultation packages and start sharing your wisdom. It's a great way to monetize your expertise and help others at the same time. Digital products. Create and sell digital products like ebooks, courses, or printables. It's like setting up a lemonade stand, but you only have to make the lemonade once. Once your digital product is ready, you can sell it over and over without any additional work. It's passive income at its finest. Plus, you get to share your knowledge and creativity with the world. So, brainstorm some ideas, create something amazing, and start selling. Creating paid communities. People love to be part of exclusive groups. Create a paid community where your fans can connect and get access to special content. It's like a secret clubhouse with a monthly fee. Offer members-only videos, live chats, or even virtual meetups. The sense of belonging and exclusive perks will make your community thrive. Plus, it's a steady income stream that grows as your community does. So, start building that VIP club and watch it grow. Licensing your content. Got amazing footage or viral videos? License them. Companies, TV shows, and websites will pay to use your content. It's like renting out your video to the highest bidder. Licensing can bring in a nice chunk of change without any extra work on your part. Just make sure you retain the rights to your content so you stay in control. It's a great way to make money from videos you've already created. So, start looking for opportunities to license your best work. Merchandise. Got a catchy catchphrase or a unique logo? Slap it on some merch. T-shirts, mugs, hoodies, and stickers. Your fans will love showing off their support. It's like being a rock star with your own tour merch. You can use platforms like Teespring or Merchbar to create and sell your products. Not only does this give you a new revenue stream, but it also helps build your brand identity. Imagine your fans walking around as walking billboards for your channel. Plus, seeing your face on a coffee mug? Priceless. Offering workshops or webinars. If you have valuable knowledge or skills, offer paid workshops or webinars. Teach your audience in a more interactive format. It's like hosting a mini conference. Charge a fee for attendance and provide valuable insights or training. This not only generates income, but also positions you as an expert in your field. Use platforms like Zoom or Webinar Jam to conduct your sessions. There you have it. The real ways to get paid on YouTube. Forget the myths and focus on these proven strategies. Now go out there and turn your YouTube passion into a profitable empire after subscribing. Explained.